I have said this times without number in most of my videos that the trend trading strategy really works. You guys can actually see that this particular strategy really works. Okay, so that is why you need to learn this strategy and, of course, practice very well with it before you start using it on your real account. In case you don't know much about it, I will advise you to sit tight and watch this video to the end because this particular strategy will actually help you to increase your profitability level whenever you are trading. Okay, so quickly, before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and of course guys, if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. So like I have said, the trend trading strategy really works, and of course I will be using some of the analysis I did in my last video to give you an explanation so that you will understand it very well. If you should understand, if you actually checked out my analysis, you will notice that for GainX 1200, I said it is at the support zone already, and this will be going on uptrend because we've been given an uptrend signal, and it is at the support zone, and it didn't break out from the support zone. So we got the uptrend signal and some buy signals. Check it out. It bought, even got to this resistance zone, played around there, and broke out above it to buy more. Okay, you can see that's so beautiful, guys. So this shows that the trend trading strategy really works. You can imagine you meaning right from here where we got the uptrend signal, and of course trading till this very moment. This is 218 candles, and of course, guys, this is 15-minute time frame. You can do your calculations. This is about 92,167 points. That's a whole lot of profit, guys. You guys can understand that. Okay, now let's see this also. This particular asset didn't go as predicted because it's played around there for a very long time. We expect it to break out below this support zone so that it can sell more, but it has not been able to break out from there. So we're still waiting for it to break out below it so that it can sell more. If it does not, it will break out above the resistance zone and continue to buy. Okay, but we are still waiting for that. Okay, now let's check out this particular asset. People actually made a lot of profit trading this particular asset called FX volume 80. Okay, I gave out this signal yesterday's morning, and of course I also gave us an update on it in the night when I did the posted the video for the night. Okay, so so many people actually took advantage of it and they made a lot of profit. Okay, this particular asset, I've been following it up after milking this asset from this resistance zone down to the support region. So I've been waiting for it to kickstart the uptrend for a while. Okay, so but it played around there. It took its time to play around there for a while before kickstarting the uptrend. And when it kickstarts, as in when it started the uptrend yesterday, I told us that okay, this has started the uptrend because we've been giving the uptrend signal and it has not been able to break out below the support zone. So we should follow the buy signal. So we had two buy signals at the beginning right there. If you had gotten for the two buy signals, one at this point, the second one at this point, if you had gone for the two buy signals, you would have been in profit because this is 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so you can see it right from here, and of course it bought till this very moment. Okay, achieving all the resistance zone that I highlighted yesterday. That's so amazing, guys. All the resistance zone. If you miss out from this particular trade, you've missed a lot. Okay, so for those that took action, I'm really happy that they were able to take the actions. Okay, let's see the amount of candles we are able to achieve here. Okay, this is 79 candles. Okay, 79 candles, and that is about 1,337,811 points. That's so amazing, guys. That's so amazing. But after getting to this region, it was unable to go further. So it started a downtrend. You can see change from an uptrend signal, which is the yellow, flag into a downtrend signal and give us some sell signal. And at the moment, it is selling at the moment. So I expect it to get to this region. If it breaks out from here, it should get to this particular point. Okay. So you guys can still take advantage of it right from there. Okay. So this is how beautiful it is. Okay. Now, a quick recap on what we have done right here. Okay. Like I said, what I am focusing on right now is the trend trading strategy. And what are the things that you need to know or to put in place in order for you to get it right? Okay, number one, you need to be able to know when the trend is changing from one trend to another. Then, number two, you need to know how to identify your support zone and your resistance zone. Okay, so if you are able to achieve all these, then you can easily make some good trading activity. Okay, in case you don't know how to come up with those things or to identify those things whenever you are doing your analysis, you can make use of some trading tools that can help you to achieve this. If you don't have anyone, then you can get the one I am using on my page right now. Okay, this is the setup I am using right now. It is the same setup I'm giving to some of my downlines. Okay, so you too can also lay your hands on it. All you just need to do is just to reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so this will help you to identify the trend, and of course you will be able to know the entry point and the exit point. Okay, when it is showing the yellow flag like this, it shows that the market is on uptrend. If it is red like this, the market is on downtrend. Okay, so you can see, you can imagine you getting the downtrend signal right from the beginning, and of course the sell signal, and you got into it, set up your order and also your stop loss, and of course you would have made a lot of profits right from here to this very moment. And when it was going up also, you would have milked the market again, and now it is coming down again, you will have gone with it again. You don't even need to wait for my signals on this channel or probably the Telegram channel before you pick up your trade. Okay, you can easily generate your own signals on your own using the same trading tool that I am using. Okay, so guys, I will be stopping right here. In case you have any question at all, kindly drop your questions in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will always be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.